Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we are going to convert this fraction into decimal, that is 726 by 1000. So there are multiple ways you can divide it and then get the decimal form. Or it's a lengthy process. You can directly, if there is one with zeros like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, so on. So you can directly write the number and put the decimal before the number of zeros depending upon the digit. So there are three zeros, so put the decimal before three places. So here, and there is no digit before that, so write 0. So the easiest way is to write the decimal, just count the number of zeros and put the decimal before it. If there is 1 and if there is 2, 3 and so on, then you have to go with division. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.